In 3, 2, 1, fight. Darkness with a vertical spinning weapon, trying to maneuver it into totally not a FingerTech hit. I'm just going to call him totally from now on. A good pin by Darkness. Oh! Backs up and rams him for a flipping hit. But totally able to flip himself back over onto his wheels, right side up. And then attacking the side of Darkness. Another pin with some hits. Pin him in the corner. And back in for more hits. Totally's objective in this match, since he does not have a weapon, is to push Darkness out the side, out the red push out. Or just outlast Darkness. It's a lovely robot dance going on in there. Oh, that weapon wasn't even at full speed. I hear it going now. With a weapon going as fast as it is, it becomes a little more difficult to drive because every time the robot turns, it's trying to lift the wheel up in the air, meaning it's much harder to drive with only one wheel. 1 minute left in this match. Haven't had any weapon contact in half a minute. Totally doing a great job of avoiding that weapon. Uh-oh. Darkness hits. Totally back upside down, trying herself right. But Darkness on the attack. Pins into the corner again and gets a good hit. Releases the pin. 20 seconds left in this match. Trying to line up the attack, but these robots are so quick. By the time you get there, they're gone. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Weapons off and back to your corners, and this is going to go to a judge's decision. The judges will consider the entire match's length, the damage caused, the aggression during each, and the control. Who was in more control of the match? And the judges have given this match to Darkness, which means we will have to do this again in 20 or so minutes. Both robots now have one loss, and we will see who the ultimate winner is.